Here is the Kia Seltos. In order to change the cabinet filter, we have to go ahead and open up the passenger side door, open the glove box, and whatever stuff you have in the glove box, just get it out. Now let's go ahead, get this dampener arm off of that clip. Just pull it off. It may take a couple seconds to come off, but then once it comes off, push it in. Now there's one stopper on each side that's keeping the glove box in place. We need to squeeze the glove box from the side at the same time. So go ahead, squeeze it in from the sides, and that'll help you get the glove box out of there. Now that's the cover for the air filter, and one clip on the side. Just squeeze it and then pull the cover off. Now the other side comes out at an angle. It just slides out from there. Good, that's the filter right there. Just grab it and then pull it out. It'll slide right out. The top side of the filter is the dirty side. All the dirt is trapped there. Outside air comes from the top, gets filtered, and then cleaner from the bottom goes into the cabin. Check the link in description to buy the new filter from Amazon for yourself. And then let's put it back in. It only goes on in the same orientation as I'm showing over here. Slide it in all the way and make sure the airflow direction is from top to bottom. Let's get the cover in place. This side with this tab sticking out, it goes in there and it goes in at an angle just the way I'm showing. Once it's in place, then get the other side in position and then press it on to engage the clip. Good. Now pull this dampener arm out. To get the glove box back in place, we have to give it a firm push. There you go, it's in place now. Pull this dampener arm out, get it back onto that clip, and then press it on to secure it, and this is working good. That's pretty much it. Hope you found the video useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.